Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of DNL, the podcast bersama aku, Lina J and
D. Ashburn.
Dan kita ada budak ADHD kat ujung tu. Perkenalkan diri anda.
Nantikan ID. Yeah, what's up? It's ID Sham in the house.
Hey, what is up people?
Yeah, what is up people? Nama saya ID Sham.
Dan tak ada members dia yang lain.
Yes.
Dan sebelah ID tu bukan dia shoot sendiri duduk seberang. Kita ada satu member. Tapi itulah, hari-hari dia makan jelap. Dah 2 kali kita tunggu dia. Jadi maka dengan itu kita takkan buang masa lagi. Sebab hari ni kita ada special delivery guys. We got, she's actually a listener. And then she wanted to send us this pizza. And she sponsored episode ni. So it's actually sponsored by Leaves Bodega. So kalau korang boleh check out diorang punya IG, it's LYFSBODEGA.
Yes.
Okay. So Leaves Bodega ni apa? It's actually inspired by her partner's professional journey in the culinary work as a chef. Dan partner dia ada 15 years of experience, babe. Kat mana kau baca tu?
So dia punya experience is at Baduk and Limoncello, Bottega and Salt Tapas by Luke Mangan.
Sorry lah, kita selalu makan kat warung Cik Kia je. Jadi macam nama-nama besar ni, si ID tu dia start faham. Padahal dia pun tak faham je sama dengan kita.
Yes.
Kita makan warung-warung Cik Kia, Cik Enap je lah kan. Jadi so he's been a chef from Baduk, Limoncello, Bottega and Salt Tapas for the past 15 years. So it's actually derived by the family's initial lah. Bodega is a concept in the States similar to deli selling pizza by the slices, cold cuts, produce and sandwiches. So sekarang diorang actually, they're from home. It's a HBB.
Yeah.
Okay, dan diorang actually ada a few flavors to diorang ni pizza. Let me see. Yang aku rasa hari ni kita ada is Leaves
Pepperoni.
Ada di situ, nanti aku insert lah And then ada calzone.
Yeah.
So it's actually a folded pizza stuffed with, baca ni?
Kenapa?
Folded pizza.
Dia
What's
sengaja
it?
tau.
Balak.
So folded pizza stuffed with fior di latte, San Marzano tomatoes and Parmigiano Reggiano, basil, miso glazed shimeji, mushrooms, turkey ham and turkey bacon.
So nanti kalau dalam gambar tu dia nampak macam pepok besar. Tapi dia pepok orang Italy lah agaknya kan.
Bila dia tanya aku apa benda tu, bila aku tak nampak gambar, I was like, oh, it's maybe a bigger version of empanadas from
It looks like,
the Mexican food.
Correct. And then
Dia tengah on the way.
kita berikan tepukan yang gemuruh untuk member kita. Silakan.
Cepat sikit bang.
Habis dengan mikrofon aku semua dia no. So dan dia ada flavor kita ada is Leaves Hawaiian. So it's with the San Marzano tomatoes, fior di latte, turkey ham and burnt butter grilled pineapple.
Wow,
that sounds good.
Amazing.
Dan diorang actually, like I said, they're house based right now, right? And they're actually in the Woodlands area. So for the DNL listeners, kalau korang nak order, there's a code actually, DNL5 as in number 5, DNL5. Kalau korang order using this code, korang akan dapat 5% off your next order.
Amazing.
Okay? So pre-order via the Take app, and for Northsiders, they are available on Grab. Okay.
Oh, wow.
And they are Muslim-owned business, of course. So yeah, kalau korang nak pakai dia punya code DNL5 tu, reach out to them actually via the IG itself. LYFSBODEGA.
Bodega.
Leaves Bodega. Okay. Dan kita nak rasa hari ni kita ada members lah, jadi kita dapat kongsi rezeki dengan kawan kita. So kita ada pepperoni, Hawaiian dan the calzone. Mari kita, so bila kita tengah makan ni, korang boleh dengar lah dia punya audio lain sikit. But kita akan come back and give our review on it. Jom kita makan dulu.
Yum.
Let's go.
Kau nak try mana dulu?
I want to try the
Pepperoni.
Hawaiian.
Yeah, same. I want to try the Hawaiian.
Okay,
Yeah.
just back story sikit. Tadi time pizza dia datang, tengah panas-panas. Wap semua.
Dan paling
Tapi kalau
kelakar,
dah sejuk tapi tetap sedap, tu plus point.
betul-betul.
Oh,
So nanti kan nampak, it's actually like homemade. So dia orang punya tu doesn't look like a typical like Pizza Hut kind. Really looks like the macam needednya baking thing lah.
You can tell by the crust, it's a good crust.
Correct.
Not
Dan
typical
ada
Pizza Hut crust.
inside story sikit, kita tahu hari ni dia akan hantar, kita dah arrange. But for some reasons when our friends came, we totally forget about the delivery.
And we were talking about ghosts.
Ya, kita tengah cerita pasal hantu tau. Tiba-tiba bunyi ting tong tu semua.
Tengok macam ada, siapa?
Siapa siap? Siapa? Lepas tu Di kau buka. Tak nak. Biasalah dia penakut. Epo. Pasal Ipoh kan pun
Dia paling
macam,
berani.
Dia paling berani lah
Yeah.
kan.
Yeah.
Dia keluar kira macam abang long. Kan terkejut dari pizza.
Bukan.
Tak ada.
Dia dekat
Delivery.
depan. Dia terkejut pasal dia tak tahu buka pintu.
Macam mana nak buka pintu. Okay. Alright, kita nak rasa dulu. Awan, korang help yourself. Kita nak try dia punya Hawaiian.
let's go.
Pas yang
Ambil
Hawaiian
kena
aku mandi.
Hawaii.
Dia punya pineapple dia besar bapak.
Kan.
Hmm.
Burn,
Apa tadi?
burn butter.
Burn
Good man. Okay, let's go.
Try the
It's called the burnt butter grilled
Pineapples.
pineapples.
Okay, let's go. Lembut siul.
Okay, it is not hot already, tapi dia masih
Lembut,
soft.
yeah.
The
Amazing.
crust is still
Oh my
really
God.
soft. Tolonglah Kak Nun. Oh, dia empat gini
Sedap.
Look at that. If you can see the camera, see it's still nice and soft.
Dia punya pineapple sedap gila ya. This is nice. Dia tipis guys. So kalau korang macam aku tak suka pizza yang
Mm.
tebal. Because bila kau dah makan more than one slice, in the end kan, nanti kau akan end up kau makan dia punya topping dia. Oh, so kau tak makan apa?
Huh?
Masa kau tak makan?
Oh, aku boleh makan
tak ada orang panis kau.
Kira kan dia nak tunggu kita jemput.
I really like the pineapple. I know people, actually there's this thing macam should you put pineapple on pizza? Yes or no for you, D?
Yeah, of course.
Yes or no?
Nice.
Nope.
Loser. Yes or no?
You don't-
Pineapple on pizza.
Because you don't eat vegetable.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
That's a fruit.
Yalah, who knows you don't eat vegetable?
Okay, pineapple. Tak ada.
Sedap. Ni.
Ya Allah, ya
I want
Rabbi.
to taste the pineapple again.
Huh?
I want to taste the pineapple.
Alah.
Right.
This boy, he took pepperoni. Let's cut. Do you mind if you have pineapple on the pizza? Yeah, I don't mind nice. Tapi dia tengok, ni tak ada. Dia ambil yang pepperoni mestilah tak ada pineapple.
Tapi dia punya roti lembut siap. Okay, aku kalau makan pizza, I don't know about you guys. Aku punya habit, ni last part, aku akan letak tepi.
But this
Yeah,
one,
But
This
it's
is the
so
best.
soft.
Ni best.
Lembut.
You put it aside.
Pasal dia keras. Usually keras, dia tak ada keras, dia lembut.
Apa tadi? Butter, baked butter,
Grill apa entah apa
grilled
ni.
butter pineapple.
Asal
so it is with
Eh,
burnt
it always
butter
makes the food
grilled
nicer when you eat it.
Yeah.
burnt butter
Oh, ya ke?
grilled pineapples.
Sedap kan? Kena dengan dia punya ham tu sedap.
Baru
Ham.
kau tadi cakap komplain tak nak ada pineapple.
But the pineapple sedap bro.
Dia dah convert hari ni. Kita dah convertkan dia, Alhamdulillah.
Dia bukan pineapple dalam tinnya.
Sedap.
And I like the
Yeah,
burn.
lembut.
There's a bit of like
Corner
smoky
kan?
taste on the end of the crust.
Kau tahu is a good quality HBB kind of pizza. Dia bukan, that means kau tahu yang Danish chef ni really, yang tadi 15 years tu kan, dia kira lah angmo punya
Yeah.
menu tau. Kau tahu, dia bukan typical like the kind of
tak bedek lah.
tak bedek. Sedap. And considering the fact that dah sejuk, it's still very soft.
Tak
Actually oil, betul.
Ipoh kasih ni review sikit.
Sedap.
Dia review makan, bukan kau duduk makan dia tahu. Kau kena cakap sedap ke tidak.
nak kena fokus kat apa? Macam budak kerja. Tak.
Sedap. It's very good. Aku nak try tu. Epok-epok Mak Saleh.
The calzone.
Ya, Paris. Italy. Ipoh.
Is it calzone or calzone?
Ipoh.
Calzone.
Tak makan tu.
Tak.
Oh, later lah.
Boleh
Nah,
sekarang.
nah,
Kena
nah.
depan kan. Kau kena buka. Dalam dia ada inti dia.
I ate the basil leaf. It's nice.
The leaf?
The taste, it's kira aku makan sayur lah sekarang.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Hari tu macam side joke sikit, side story sikit, di masa lasagna. Ada carrot kecil-kecil dice mati-mati. Si baby tua ni tak nak makan.
Wasted dia tak nak
Saya
makan.
kalau mancing up next nak invite aku, make sure tak ada sayur.
Tak tahu malu. Dah kau buat tu.
Malu rugi.
Nak kena kopek kan?
Bukan kopek, just petil je. Kopek tu durian.
Kopek lain po. Thursday.
So, what's the name?
Calzone.
Calzone.
Hmm.
Calzone.
Epo is not English
Calzone.
speaking, so he's just trying to learn, okay? You will see the rest of him in this episode and you understand why.
Korang tak warning saya sebut air.
Kita lagi nak order bubble tea?
Oh boleh. Kau nak tak?
Yes,
Ini is PBG recording.
tak ada banyak tak sampai dah terbegit.
Macam mana tu bukan terbegit dah?
Tidak. The flour is so
The flour.
thick.
The flour tau.
The
Dalam
flour.
dia apa? Tengok.
Kau tahu kalau kau cakap the flour, kau cakap tepung dia.
Ini apa?
Ni kan roti.
Roti buat dari apa?
Yeah, but flour is the raw material.
The bread.
Bread. The side bread.
The
This
side
is
bread po.
This is inside bread.
Okay.
Okay. I want to see the isi.
Tengok.
Tepi tu je buat
Tak
apa?
ada isi pun.
Tak ada isi.
Isi dekat tengah po. Kau kalau makan epok, tepi dia ada isi ke tak? Tak ada kan? Dekat dalam lah.
Then, this is the worst food review aku. This is my first time.
Jadi kalau
I don't blame the food, blame myself.
Okay, tak apa. Jadi kalau korang tahu, part ni kita akan page untuk diri kita. Kalau nak review makanan, boleh hantar kepada Alkisah dan Daniel. Jangan hantar kat nak cakap sikit. Lagipun budak kurus tahu makan apa.
Kau cakap aku gemuk je.
Tak,
mana
kau dulu gemuk apa pasal kau dah ambil tu product one practice tu?
I like the
Yeah.
Tapi dia punya tepung sedap saya.
Bila yang kau nak buka tengah dia tunjuk kita apa kat dalam. Aku tak nak marah tapi dia kasi aku marah. Dah lah buang masa aku pergi
Belum
toilet.
start episode dah buat.
Lekat sikit gitu.
Ada tak isi dekat dalam?
Mushroom.
Okey, apa lagi kau nampak?
Mushroom.
Angkat bu. Aku cakap budak kurus tak pandai buat food review. Jangan kasih dia.
Mushroom. Ham.
Dah jadi teka-teki.
Dia tapi isi dia banyak. Okey, kau tak setengah sini, setengah sana.
Besar ni.
Yoshimiji so
Kau
good.
nak ni lah.
Very good.
Masih panas guys kat
Dalam
dalam.
Masa panas.
Probably the worst food reviewers ever.
Tapi entertaining kan.
Tapi dia Yoshimiji sedap.
Shrimp Asal?
Dia masih tanya guys masuk food review ke tak. Kalau kau nak aku crop kau boleh. Yoshimiji solid ya. I don't know what's the sauce inside.
I love the bread.
It says
Sedap ni.
Sedap ya.
Tak bohong.
Aku tak pernah rasa ni.
Keras dia lembut.
I like the cheese which is Parmigiano Reggiano. And then miso glazed. Oh, it's miso.
No wonder. It's so good.
Turkey ham and turkey bacon.
Kita tak pernah rasa calzone.
Besar
So
ni
good.
aku nak makan.
I really like the calzone. Petil.
It's very nice guys. Aku recommend ini. And for those who want to enjoy the 5% discount, the code is DNL5. You can reach out to them via the IG. And they're also available on Take app dan juga Grab for the Northsiders, the Woodlands people lah. Kita akan continue lepas ni on a proper opening, on a proper episode. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of DNL, the podcast bersama aku, Lina J.
G. Ashburn.
Dan kita ada dua members lagi sebab hari ni is the sequel of Project Pod.
Yeah.
So we have with us
Hi guys, nama saya Aidi Syam. Dari Alkisah Production. Oh, nak kena cakap Alamak, sorry my man.
Yes. Apa kasi Bro nak cakap sikit 2.0 podcast.
Yes.
aku almost saja cakap, yo, what is up people?
Yeah, what is up people?
So kalau korang familiar with them, dia so members podcast kita lah. Kalau actually antara kita yang paling dikenali would be ID.
Yeah.
Sebab dia tanpa saya kasi lu letak muka dia kat dia punya logo apa. Kita roasting dah start sekarang lah.
Dah. Betul.
Mana ada macam podcast lain dia pakai gambar apa macam. Tapi usually kalau gambar berdua. Kalau dua-dua lah. Kalau tiga-tiga lah. Tapi dia seorang je podcaster, ramai orang muka dia seorang je.
Aku ingat dia nak cakap aku seorang podcaster yang tak sedar diri joget-joget.
Oh.
Ada juga ke podcaster lain joget-joget? Tak ada Aku seorang
Cuma kau punya
Kira
clan
aku boleh claim. Baik ya.
Boleh juga.
Kalau orang
Kira
macam
bangga.
cakap macam podcaster macam Raw ke apa. Kau podcaster yang paling joget.
JJ Jantan
Jantan
joget.
joget.
Yeah.
JJ.
Whatever sells is your identity apa?
Yes, correct. Like I'm known for the liberal and the sexual queen. Lina?
I don't know.
The RBF queen.
RBF queen and the one who triggers spouses maybe.
Trigger spouses. Wow. Dia pala belum kahwin tapi dia trigger spouse.
Bukan spouse je yang
Tak
ada trigger
betul.
dengan
Ya.
podcaster lain pun. Sebab tu rating jatuh. Yes, the roasting has begun.
The roasting has begun. And then the silent one.
The silent
Ipon,
and
hari
slow.
kita rekod siang tau untuk kau. Jadi kau tak down energy.
It's already 10 guys.
Kau jangan nak tengok jam. Kita rekod
Yeah.
siang tapi kau pergi berak 2-3 kali.
Sorry guys. Aku tadi sakit perut makan. Never to eat nasi.
Never to eat.
Yeah, never to eat nasi apa? Lauk
Hijau.
hijau.
Mm.
Ayam.
Aku rasa there's a few times that we ask him apa yang dia makan.
Tak
Dia
jawab.
cakap, tak tahu aku makan siang tadi. Okay. Lepas tu tanya,
Sebelum
kat mana?
datang. Sebelum
Sebelum datang kau makan apa?
Kau makan apa? Tak, siang tadi lah kat kerja. Okay, dia dah keluar, kita tanya ni. Ya, aku sakit perut lagi ya. 2 kali dia keluar. Pergi bear kan. Kita tanya, kau makan apa lagi? Tak tahu lah tadi kat kerja. Dia masih belum jawab dia makan apa.
Tak ada pun. Apa yang kau makan? Dekat kerja, okay. Apa kau makan?
What
Tak
is
tahu
the
lah,
menu?
Nasi,
Tak, yang satu tempat aku tanya kau makan. Tak tahu akan tanya budak-budak tadi budak-budak okey ke tak. Jadi apa yang kau makan? Kadang-kadang bukan kita nak marah. Tapi kita diuji dengan pelbagai cara daripada Yang Maha Esa.
Yeah.
Dengan orang yang berbentuk seperti Ipoh lah.
Yes.
Orang
Dan,
paling tua.
Sebelum kita melanjut dan melalut, episod ni ditaja khas oleh
Lives
Lives Bodega.
Bodega.
So it's your home-based new Neapolitan contemporary pizza.
Napolitan.
Neapolitan.
Napolitan?
Korang tengok tadi sebelum ni kita dah makan banyak-banyak tu kan?
Ya.
Itulah dia punya. Sedap. Korang boleh order. Aku recommend the calzone. Yang
Yeah.
macam epok besar tu, inti dia solid.
Yeah, yeah.
Kau
Very
recommend
nice.
yang mana?
Is I like that one also in the Hawaiian. I
Hawaiian.
didn't taste the pepperoni,
Ya.
but
Pasal kita nak record.
I do have a friend who tasted pepperoni and asking. We asked him whether he liked pineapple on his pizza tau.
Ya.
Cakap, yeah, I'm fine. Then lepas tu dekat tangan dia ni, dia terus tengok, but this one don't have pineapple what? Dia tengah pegang pepperoni.
Ya.
Dia tanya mana dia punya pineapple.
So far belum ada lah orang mix pineapple dengan pepperoni kan.
Betul.
Tapi kalau korang nak buat special order untuk Ipoh, korang buat directly kat dia lah. Tapi aku bilang, diorang nak cakap sikit tak boleh buat food review.
Tak boleh.
Don't never trust a skinny boy when they doing food review. Tadi pun dia most of the time dia blur. Jadi dia cuma cakap, Po, review sikit. Sedap.
short and sweet lah.
Short
kira.
and sweet.
Yeah.
Correct. So, Liz Bodega, thank you so much for sharing the pizza over.
Yeah.
Dan like I said, kalau korang nak order dengan dorang, then you can use our promo code DNL5 for 5% off. You can reach them via Instagram and they also on the TikTok dan juga Grab.
Grab is only for the west side.
North Siders. Correct.
West side tak ada.
Website loko tak ada. Okay.
Mhm.
Dan so hari ni kan antara part of the sequels kan for Project Pod. Kita akan berpindah-pindah lah.
Yeah.
To show, basically it's an effort for collaboration to show that some of us have been in this industry for quite a bit. Yang paling tua tu di situ.
Pasal tak ada orang nak kerja dengan kita. Jadi kita kerja dengan
Sorry,
each other.
dengan kau.
Dengan kau je.
Oh shit. Actually true lah.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Is it pasal aku joget?
Aku
Aku
rasa
rasa-
siapa suruh kau jadi jantan
Kau vibe pada
joget?
jantan joget sangat.
Sial.
So
Semua dia suruh joget dalam tim dia.
Bagaimana?
Taufik pula
Taufik pun joget.
Okay.
Dan so pada hari ni kita ada fokus on some topic sikit lah.
Okay.
Right.
Dan korang akan nampak throughout the whole time kita adalah throw some roast at each other. Tapi jangan kecil hati. It's all for entertainment.
Betul.
Okay. Dan but before we go to that, let's talk about the previous app.
The previous episode.
Kita ada previous episode with Moon and Didi.
Oh yeah.
And actually can see a lot of you guys actually rindukan Moon and Didi.
Mhm.
There's a lot of good comments, be it via IG, via TikTok, via Spotify directly pun ada. Ada yang cakap, oh no, we need the boys back again. Ada yang kata macam listening to this app makes them want to listen to the old apps of yang Moon dengan Didi.
Dengan
Dan juga
CRP sekali dia
CRP
cakap.
sekali. It's really, really nice. Dan we hope everyone understand that the episode was just purely out there for entertainment. Dan if you all know, Moon dengan Didi selepas mereka exit the previous podcast, they don't really very much appear on any other podcast, especially for
Betul.
Didi, who throughout the whole episode consistently did say that he's still healing from the process.
Dia
Obviously,
somber lah.
dia very somber. Ada juga aku rasa benda yang mungkin buat dia terguris lah. Dan mungkin because he's someone who cherish friendship dan brotherhood. So, but at the end of the day, if someone misinterpret that episode, that fun episode, I think it's not on me to please you. So this goes up to you. Dan so moving on. Okay, no love lost. Moving on. Jadi hari ni kita nak berbual pasal pet peeves, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, pet peeves.
Pet peeves.
Do
Okay.
you know what's a pet peeve?
Apa benda?
Yang kau ada kucing kat SPCA tu semua kan pets.
Okay, peace.
You piss me off.
Okay, pet peeve
Okay.
dia basically benda yang kau tak suka about something.
The smallest thing, the petty thing
petty
that
things,
annoy
yeah.
you.
Yes.
Okay, annoying
Yes, the petty things that
Petty.
annoy you.
Okay, pet peeves.
So this is where kita just be open. Maksudnya macam it can be something really really childish and very petty. Sebab kalau kau bilang orang tu macam dia ni macam mengada je tak. But it's just sometimes kita punya preference macam kau tak boleh kena benda macam itu.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Kau dah faham?
Faham.
Okay, kau kasih dulu lah first apa?
Okay,
What is your pet peeve?
aku paling tak suka kalau Muni kat rumah air menitik sikit je dia ambil tisu dia lap.
Oh.
Keluar toilet je dia lap.
Kan bagus.
Rumah aku semua penuh dengan tisu. Ni kira aku curhat. Last episode is jejak kasih.
Last episode apa?
Yang sequel.
Tak ada. Sekarang kenapa kau marah rumah kau banyak tisu? Kan bagus.
Pasal aku yang beli tisu tu.
Oh.
Buat apa kasih apik tisu tu kaya?
Tapi mana tahu tisu tu apik ke pakcik?
Dia
Asal kau kasih apik tu kredit?
halal ke tak halal?
Aci.
Jangan.
Nanti di. Okay, go.
Nampak ni? Ni apa?
Wow,
Yang kau pegang tu apa?
Ni wire.
Bawah dia?
Bantal.
Bantal tu batang mana?
Bantal tanam ke tidak?
Ada cotton?
Guys, faham. Every time kita buat content, it's all for fun.
Yes,
okay?
betul.
Dan dia juga actually menunjukkan kita support content Nishada. Masa kita tengok lah.
Yeah.
So, kalau korang yang faham lah kan.
Exactly.
Dan, okay, so itu pet peeve kau lah.
Ya.
Okay, ID?
Aku pet peeve aku ni aku paling benci orang yang jalan slow. Fucking slow walkers, especially in fucking small spaces. And especially the couples.
Oh, yang...
Ya, yang kira nak jalan bergedik-gedik, korang nak macam loving. Like bro, move the fuck away, especially when there's people behind, bro. Bro, untuk orang yang macam hogging the road pasal dia pakai AirPods masih boleh faham, bro. Ni macam bro, you fucking oblivious to people around you. Like, oh my god, aku tak boleh. And bini aku one of them.
Korang ada rumah nak balik tak malam ni?
No, that's why bila aku kena, yang you boleh tepi tak ada orang, you know. Aku kan macam gitu because I hate it so much.
Yeah.
So that's one.
But selalu kalau misalnya ada orang depan kita depan kau sound tak?
Aku macam
Gitu je.
aku gitu. Ataupun je, excuse me. Aku akan sengaja gitu. Like kuat-kuat lah kasih dia
Aku
dengar.
akan overtake dan aku terus overtake.
Aku kalau dah lepas excuse me tu tak jalan, then aku baru macam overtake. Dan aku tu.
Kawan-kawan sekolah aku tahu aku ada habit ni tau. Macam, okay, for example when I was in poly kan. Nanti macam, kan budak-budak suka jalan satu row ramai-ramai kan.
Budak poli lah kira.
Dia nak kena poli.
Kejap. Aku kat TP 1 tahun ni. Lepas tu aku keluar. Disclaimer. Tak payah bangga sangat. Lepas tu tujuan banyak-banyak. Aku macam lepas tu macam relax. I cannot usah. Nanti aku sengaja macam, kau tahu dulu kalau kita pergi sekolah kan boleh pakai slipper kan. Aku macam flip slipper aku kuat-kuat. Lepas tu aku macam, you think you Leo is it all time one line?
Ulio.
5566 kan ada 5 berapa orang.
Itu kan Channel 8 punya tu ke?
Bukan. Dia orang Taiwan yang singa.
Taiwan.
Tu kalau lelaki.
Channel 8.
Kalau perempuan, you think you're Spice Girl or stand one line like that gitu lah.
Okay, baru
Leo gitu.
Okay, kalau di suka tanah.
Aku tak suka.
Dia Ulio. Aku ingat kau tu macam Star Charity dia macam.
Leo. Itu dia tu Ling yao Leopa.
Bingo.
Okay. Aku macam one of it would be yang tadi kalau orang jalan slow. Aku tak suka kalau aku tengah jalan tengah laju.
Di cerita dulu lah Di. Satu hari mesti kita kena marah pasal kau tahu.
Tahu sama-sama lah.
Jangan selfish lah.
Aku tak suka kalau aku tengah jalan laju.
Kau punya ketawa ni macam Ipoh nak bilang kita apa dia makan tau tadi.
Okay.
Behave.
Aku tak suka kalau aku tengah jalan.
Kau dah sampai aku panggil nanti ni datang.
Inside joke.
Aku cakap cepat-cepat sikit. Aku tak suka kalau orang
Cepat sikit.
Jangan tegur.
Janganlah tegur dia nak cerita.
Aduh, okay. Aku tak suka kalau aku tengah jalan, habis sekali si orang kat depan ni suddenly dia break. Dia break. Habis kadang-kadang macam bila tengah laju jalan, habis lepas tu dia, macam dia break, habis dia macam tengok.
Habis kalau kita jambit belakang dia macam heavy vehicle langgar je.
Tahu pun aku langgar banyak kali
Sama.
Tak ada.
Ya.
Dah gitu tak apa. Lepas tu dia tengok kau macam kau yang salah. Oh, aku banyak kali kena. Tapi time aku dengan stroller. Jadi aku macam
Ya. Dah langgar kaki. Lagi kalau lagi satu pun aku tak suka kalau orang tengah tolak stroller. Habis tu langgar kaki.
Tu Epo. Sorry. Tu ID.
Sakit
Tu
siap.
tak apa, wheelchair.
Wheelchair
Lagi sakit.
Of course lah, ada besi.
Aku pernah kena. Kau tahu kat mana?
Mana? Muka kau.
Bukan. Okay. Of all places, kat Majidil Haram aku kena. Kau expect aku nak buat apa?
Tak boleh marah.
Tak boleh marah.
Habis?
Nanti takut kau balik pakai wheelchair.
Ha? Kau tahu dia cakap apa?
Sorry.
Sorry. Kau nak cakap apa?
Yalah.
Reply dia apa? Reply.
Halas. Gitu.
Yalah.
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 Begitu lah.
Itu je.
Okay.
Kalau aku punya pet peeve is something very PBG.
Apa?
okay.
Alah, dia dah pakai akronim.
Akronim
PBG pun kata
bukan akronim.
Okay, kita kasih cerita dulu. Ipo have this list that he always updates.
When dia
It's
berbual
a
dengan kita.
list of acronyms.
Okay, so far
akronim.
main baca apa yang so far dalam list kau?
Cuba. Share sikit.
So dia dah as dia mix with us every
Then
time.
whenever he puts a new word, he screenshot and show to us.
Yes, he will show that he has updated on the list.
Okay, jap. Aku
Okay.
tahu.
So hari ni kita
Okay,
cakap PBG.
dah.
Okay, apa list
So
dia?
kau tell one by one.
Akronim.
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 Minta kena ranum.
RBF. This one aku tahu. Ni daripada Lina.
Okay.
Resting Beach Face.
Alright.
VN ni daripada D.
Hmm.
Voice note.
Okay.
Kau taruh sauce.
Kira
Kira nanti dia nak kasih kredit senang.
kena ada citation lah.
Ya. IKR. I know right.
Okay, lagi?
TTYL. Talk to you later.
Titi.
Okay.
IDGAF. I don't give a.
Apa?
Okay.
I don't give a. Yes.
Okay.
And it will add on.
Okay, tambah tadi. Nanti kau lupa.
Apa tadi?
PBG.
PBG.
PBG apa?
Perangai budak gemuk.
Kita
Asal kau
ada.
tahu
We have another one. It's called YYP.
YYP.
Tak apa. Aku take notes je sampai end of the
Yeah.
episode.
YYP.
YYP. Okay, what's that?
Ya pantat.
Forgot about that.
Okay, last.
Okay.
CR.
Okay. CR. Okay.
Ha.
Bodoh. Sibuk.
Okay, pet peeve kau apa?
Oh, aku punya pet peeve is aku suka share makanan dengan orang.
Okay.
Okay. But kalau ni usually apply kat office.
Okay.
Kalau ada benda atas meja aku yang belum buka, kau jangan buka.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But there are people who do that, bro. Aku tak boleh. And aku
Oh
macam
my God.
it's just a thing aku pantang lah.
Yeah.
But kalau aku dah buka, korang kasi habis pun aku tak kisah. Even though aku makan satu piece je. But don't go to my table. This one I open lah to the open. Okay. Acing kau bayar untuk aku ke?
Oh my God, how do you do that?
Ya.
Habiskan pun aku pet peeve.
Aku okay lah. Habis aku okay. As long aku dah dapat makan, aku buka dulu okay.
Oh, aku pantang bila begitu, bila dia dah habiskan, dia tak buang.
Ya.
Kita tanya, Acing kau datang nak buang apa?
Dia tinggalkan
Panjang
satu
kau
piece.
datang.
Yes. Perangai Melayu. Tinggalkan satu.
piece Last.
Siapa nak makan tu?
Elves. Elves.
Elves is what?
Dia bukan akronim. Dia kerja dengan Santa Claus.
Okay.
Elves tu lah.
Elves tu.
Yes.
Okay, korang ada apa lagi pet peeve tak? Korang ada apa lagi pet peeve?
Oh,
Takkan satu je.
Since kau cakap pasal makan, okay, aku go. Aku tak boleh bila pasal aku makan cerewet kan. One wants to take something from my plate.
Okay.
And dia pakai dia punya fork and spoon yang dia dah rata-rata ke dia dah macam lepas tu dia pasal dia nak bersihkan konon sebelum ambil. Aku cakap, bro.
Ew.
Bro, fucking disgusting. Kau tahu tak aku pernah on the first date dengan Shu. She did that. Dia tengah makan mi
Korang jangan
kuah.
buka air
Dia
gini,
makan.
korang boleh tak?
Tak, aku
Takut
share
aku
lah.
tahu.
Aku share. Ni mi kuah. Dia tengah makan. Then aku tengah makan roti prata. Aku ingat lagi. Mozzarella cheese prata. So, dia nak try. Habis dia pakai. Tu aku macam, never mind lah. You have it lah. Ini pasal baru kenal. Jadi tak marah. Dia macam, tak apalah. You makan je lah semua. Dia macam, asal. Then aku tak boleh macam nanti. Aku dah tak nak makan kan. And then people like macam, sikit je pun. Shut up man.
Oh.
Shut up man. Dia cakap, kena sikit je. Diam saya. Aku get annoyed when people even try to offer. Dah aku belikan baru. Diam. Like aku have lost all appetite to eat.
Basically,
Yeah, so it's me,
kalau pak makanan aku PBG, kalau ID dia ada attitude problem.
Makan tak boleh saya.
Yes,
Gaduh
yes.
saya.
Aku tak boleh kalau aku tengah
Ya apa? I know that was happening. Okay, apa?
Aku tak boleh. Okay, ni cerita betul. Aku pasal aku memang suka berak. Dengarlah.
Okay.
Aku diharapkan tak ada listener aku yang tengah makan bila dengar cerita ni.
Yes. So aku tak boleh kalau aku tengah berak, kat sebelah tengah berak tapi dia bising.
Apa dia buat?
Dia macam aku tak tahu sama ada nak tolong ke apa, dia sakit ke apa. Kau faham tak?
Tolong.
Habis aku pun nak kena help myself kan. Betul tak?
Kira kau pressure lah.
Alah. Habis okay, especially kalau kita berak kadang-kadang kita terkentut macam kan. Tapi kadang-kadang kita malu Syul.
Sama.
Kan. Tapi kalau orang sebelah bikin kita macam
Macam mana?
So, have you guys thought about it? Who knows siapa yang kat dalam? Asal kita malu.
Because okay, if let's say I was at the toilet, right, aku
macam tadi ID masuk tadi. Aku malu Syul.
Aku dengar dia kira macam tahan. Kira
Aku
keluar.
macam kemut.
Kau tahu dia punya lari kan? Maknanya kau tahu kira duduk. Sprang.
Yes.
Tapi tadi macam plup.
next time the trick is you press the flush.
Yes.
And then go
Aku cepat-cepat lah Syul. Dia ni keluar. Lambatnya kencing.
Lepas tu dia tanya, kau pergi dulu lah. Kedai kau proceed record dulu.
malu rupanya.
Yes, malu.
Ya.
So,
I mean,
tak
I would
boleh.
feel the
Sebelah kalau aku tengah berak, sebelah kalau boleh tak, aku tak nak ada orang.
And if let's say I don't like if let's say orang baru did the business in the toilet and then the next person is coming in, right, dia macam biarkan bau kat dalam. Like
The
in a
next
sense that
person?
yelah, maknanya macam kalau kau tu ada apa-apa kan, you don't ask the person to wait first or whatever.
Oh, wait first.
Tapi kalau orang yang the next one macam tadi pun nak terberak,
Apa dia?
Oh, sure.
dah tak tahan.
Aku dah tak.
Oh, kira kau nak orang warning kau lah kira.
Yeah. So I will wait.
Oh.
Or if let's say at work in the past, right, if let's say aku
Bubble tea dah sampai. Pergi buka.
pergi apa? Kau extra large.
Pasal jahit dia.
Wah, besar bapak
Kau minta
Uziel.
extra large apa?
Damn, this is extra large.
Ya.
Kiwa.
Biar orang tengok.
Bapak besar
Betul,
Jack. Guys, look at it. The size of my face. Damn, son. Sorry, I extra large. Dia tak boleh cocok.
So tadi pasal pet peeve, apa lagi? Ada lagi pet peeve korang? Aku macam banyak. Asal aku tak boleh terfikir.
Apa kita move
But
on
aku
to
yang number one is definitely that. Macam dia rasa makan. And then aku pun tak rasa macam, kau tahu macam kalau orang dah habis makan, kau belum habis makan, dia
Oh, ya.
yang benar-benar selit kat gigi macam.
Oh.
Aku macam, habis aku terimagine apa kau punya sebenarnya selit kat gigi kau tengah telan.
Okay, aku nak tanya. Since kau cakap pasal orang habis makan dulu. Korang fast eater or slow eaters?
Fast.
Slow.
I'm very slow.
My pet.
Aku fast.
Aku benci orang yang makan pelan. Like, bro, don't you have better things to do in life?
No.
No.
Okay, aku bilang, aku among my friends I'm the slowest eater because
Kepo je. Sama sih dengan
these
aku.
fuckers want to be entertained when they're eating. So I talk. After that, aku dah berbual, dia dah makan. Lina lembab so kau makan. Aku cakap, kiwak. Tadi aku nak makan, korang suruh aku cerita. Lepas tu aku habis makan lambat, diorang salahkan aku.
For me, aku makan lambat. But because aku menikmati makanan aku.
And we always
Oh.
chat lah. Kalau
Yeah.
kau we always chat.
Tak penat ke makan lambat?
Tak. Pasal
Kan
penat sama apa?
sunnah.
Kan shoe berapa kali? 33 kali.
Punya banyak-banyak.
44
Kan sunnah makan pelan-pelan.
hari tu Sasuna ni tak, kau tak tahu Sasuna.
Yelah. Betul. Tak, macam
tapi
penat.
kadang tak sampai sih. Macam 33,
Kadang 15,
tak, 33
tak lah.
dah
Memang tak
hilang.
pun.
Do you know
Habis
that?
aku rasa macam aku wasted my time trying to hit the sunnah aku tu. No,
You hit the
it's like
sunnah
personal.
or the
Aku feel
sunnah
macam-
hit you.
No, macam
Do you know that when I eat, I have a huge appreciation for food.
Okay.
So if let's say I go to those really fancy restaurants and stuff, right?
Oh yeah.
Before I eat, I will like see the texture, and then after that I will smell. Then I will, yeah. Really, I smell like if let's say there's truffles, whatever, I really smell truffle.
Yeah, nice.
And if it's like the steak, right, I will like slowly cut, and I will see the steak, how's the marbling and stuff like
Okay,
that.
how's your hubby like? Does he does the same thing atau?
The same thing.
Okay.
We whole family, okay, because
Kau memang makan duduk makan habis
Kau ni
apa?
orang macam aku. Kau pasal. Cepat makan boleh.
okay, it's different. Okay, kalau makanan Melayu, same thing. Kalau apa ni ayam ke apa kan, I have a specific type of chicken that I will choose, especially kalau macam ayam merah whatever. Aku akan take my time to choose my favorite parts of the chicken. And then even if let's say kalau I never use my fingers when I eat anymore, sadly, because aku ada kuku lah kan, like I have because aku tak suka benda terselit-selit, tu pun pet peeve aku. And then like I will look at the chicken and then see how macam is it a good piece of chicken or not. And then if it's not,
Okay.
yeah. Because really I have a huge appreciation for food.
Okay.
Tengoklah size. Kan? Really, that's why you've seen how you've tasted my food, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
so you know how much of love
Aku
I
beli
put
kopi
into it.
cookies.
Yeah.
1 kg. Habis.
Within
Gila
how
apa?
many-
Habis. Dua-dua.
Bukan korang baru post beberapa hari lepas je ke?
Ya, habis.
Yeah, so
Malam tu habis. We were watching movie, right? Aku cakap, malam tu habis. Aku dengan bini aku.
dah macam popcorn sia. Oh my
Got
god.
this.
Habis dia macam
Yeah,
makan
got
satu tak cukup. Tak puas. Aku
Yeah.
kena macam 2-3.
Satu kali enggak.
Oh. Lepas tu
Kali.
Kau tahu yang nasi lemak Crave tu?
Aha.
Aku beli habis that one dengan Crave je. Kira ayam, everything a set lah kan.
Yeah.
Aku beli habis in 5 to 7 minutes je.
So fast.
Ya, betul.
Wah, cannot sia. It's a bit too fast. Even macam aku pun cerewet makan, but it's really the quality of food.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it's not like because my brother-in-law's a chef, right? Jadi we are very used to very good cuts of meat.
Appreciating the food.
Very like if I were to go out and then they say I won't buy steaks from the typical kedai kopi or whatever because bukan nak action tapi kita dah biasa dengan tu kan. Nanti aku tahu it won't be a good
You
experience.
know the difference.
Yeah, I like macam when I eat, I like to enjoy the moment. So
Jadi
even-
maksudnya apa tau? Kita kena get Abang Ipadi masakkan kita baru mungkin diorang boleh faham.
Okay, mancing up next. Jadi korang ada dua
Mancing
type
up next
dynamics
lagi.
ni. Kira kalau korang nak macam restaurant setting, kau invite ni dulu.
Yeah.
Kalau nak macam kedai kopi fast chop real bahasa TikTok 1 minit 2 minit.
Diorang.
Kita.
Yeah.
Didi, food review.
Roger.
Yeah.
Very
Didi.
fast.
Tapi dia main line satu je.
Sedap.
But
Okay.
food really, it's gotta eat it slow.
Sure, aku agree. Part ni aku betul-betul agree dengan dia. That's why aku rasa bila kita makan sama kita tak pernah ada isu. Sebab
Pelan-pelan lah.
pelan-pelan relax. Dia tengok, pasal datang pukul 4, pukul 9 malam belum rekod apa-apa.
Okay.
Okay.
Faham.
Okay.
Alongside with pet peeve, korang ada first date ni pet peeve tak? For example, orang ni macam kau tak, maybe it's not your friend. Kira macam literally a stranger that kau get to know from anywhere. Lepas tu korang punya first date. What is the thing that kalau macam kena kau macam that's it, there's no more kali kedua.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, not say pet peeve, but macam kalau apa yang kau nampak tu kau macam like, okay, tak mungkin kembali lagi.
Okay.
Apa dia?
Aku start dulu
Uh-uh.
Ketiak basah.
Oh.
Tapi kau cuaca panas macam mana?
You're in Singapore, bro.
Ya, aku tak boleh. Aku cannot lah.
Check.
Pasal ketiak aku tak basah.
Apa
Tak,
yang
as in
kau
first
ketiak
date
dia?
kau dah slice ketiak dulu.
Oh,
No
baju
lah.
baju.
Kau boleh nampak apa?
Oh, ada stain.
Ada stain.
Tapi
Pasal
asal kau
aku
tengok kat
tak boleh.
daerah dada dia?
Yalah, that one is appreciating lah. Appreciating.
dia apa. Jadi dia dah check.
Appreciating mother nature, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bunyi kau dengar?
sebelum ni sebelum ni kau
Kau tahu tak aku left aku punya ex girlfriend because of ketiak dia basah.
Oh my god, it's so superficial kesiannya.
Perangai dia smoky lah.
Okay
Ketiak
lah,
dia je
then
tak
that's the
okay.
main reason
Yeah,
lah.
yeah,
It's not
yeah.
the ketiak basah is the main
Yeah.
reason.
Dia ingat semua okey. Ketiak dia basah je. Kira
Ya, ya,
tak
betul,
style
betul.
tinggal.
Yeah.
Betul. Aku
It's
tinggalkan
not
dia
you, just your
for
ketiak.
Yeah.
Kan?
Bukan it's me oh. It's not you,
it's
it's
just
your
the
ketiak.
ya. Dan lagi satu tak boleh show gigi kuning lepas tu mulut kau busuk.
Oh yes,
Oh,
I'm with
I
you my
cannot-
brother.
Yes, tak
Mulut kau
boleh.
busuk, kau tengah tunggu SL lah tu.
Busuk
Kau
satu.
nanti naughty Kau tengok ketiak dekat daerah dada. Lepas tu kau buat pasal nak SL.
Because first
Kau
date
tu-
dah cium.
yang SL first date dah cium confirm.
Ya, aku don't know whether korang dah dengar belum aku ni podcast. Aku
Apa?
cerita pasal aku tengah SL first date lah. Lepas tu kira
balik mulut
bukan
kau
lidah je duk dia suap. Dia suap aku tonsil stone je.
Oh ya. I got that.
Dia punya.
Yelah dia punya. Habis aku tergigit.
Busuk tau.
Kali aku. Apa? Kau suap lidah sampai ke belakang ke? Apa sebab dia
Panjang dah lidah
Aku tak
kau.
tahu Asia. I don't know which part of it came from lah. Which part of the mouth the tonsil stone came out
So dia
from.
macam
but-
dia terjam keluar.
dia macam
shoot.
Oh my
Tak, tak.
god.
Dia
Aku
macam
tahu.
tic-tac.
kau tahu macam kalau kau makan kacang, then you feel like that thing is like, then kau macam play around with it in your mouth, then kau try to bite it. And then I'm like, asal dia tak boleh hilang. Tak aku keluarkan. Aku macam, shit, this is tonsil stone.
Kau keluarkan.
Yelah, meh.
But how do you know it's tonsil
Kenapa
stone?
kau tak gini?
Lepas tu dia tangkap balik.
Oh my
Kita
god.
kira main apa? Lip table tennis.
Lagi satu sorry. Itu kan aku add on. Aku tak suka orang bila dah korek gigi lepas tu dia bau. Itu pet peeve lah.
Who the hell are you dating?
Ini kan first date.
No, bukan perempuan. I mean. First date. Sorry.
Oh, kalau pet peeve lah tadi kau cakap.
pet peeve,
Okay.
ya.
Dia kau ada pet peeve?
Aku pet peeve kalau macam orang tak berbual.
Okay.
Kau
And
tembok
it makes it even worse kalau teks lancar gila. Lepas tu
yeah,
jumpa
real life.
jadi bisu. Like bro, talk, we are here.
Yeah.
Aku suka.
Habis macam lagi makes it worse kalau kau tanya, dia jawab. Sepatah.
One word.
Lepas tu dia diam. Habis aku macam, bro, the fuck is it?
Interview.
Lepas tu nanti bila dah let's say dah betul wayang, dah hantar balik semua kan. Pasal you want it chop-chop now.
Yeah.
Kau we're not having conversations or anything what.
Yeah.
Kita dah chop-chop. Balik, dia punya text macam, thanks, I had such a great day. Like, what great day, man?
What are you talking?
What? Nanti ni, what great day?
I don't have a good time with you.
Diam tunggu dia.
No, aku really cannot like. Habis lepas tu dia macam, habis continue berbual macam
Habis macam
lancar.
like what happened just now? You forget your mouth?
Habis lepas tu dah gitu tak apa. And then they always first date malu. And then you go on the second date and then it's the same shit like bro, shut the fuck up.
No, it's my time.
Lah, so yeah, aku paling
Yeah,
pet peeve orang macam gitu lah. First date.
I've experienced that before and it's really annoying.
Kan?
Because I don't like that awkward silence. Like,
Kan?
what the fuck?
Macam kau
Yeah.
dengan pin jatuh.
Kan? Like,
Masa tu lagi kita boleh jadi podcaster tau. Kita macam
Tapi ada yang pelik bahasa suat lidah okay tapi berbual macam malu. Like bro, what the hell?
Suat lidah okay. Dia suat
Mus-
terus gini dia.
Mestilah dia okay pasal tonsil dah keluar.
Oh my god. That is
Itu pun
Besar tonsil dia.
Besar.
Macam tic-tac.
Like, macam tic-tac, correct.
Besarnya.
Oh my god.
Kalau Apple mesti tadi ada makan kacang ke? Dia gigit bagi.
Nugget kata lagi kecil.
Okay, kalau ketiak dia kering tapi dia ada tonsil stone.
But how would you know she got tonsil stone? Nanti you roman what?
Yalah. Dia tengah roman tu. Dia cakap SL first date dia
Oh,
okay.
yalah
apa?
betul lah.
Oh my god. Talking about kissing, the worst part is if let's say apart from tonsil stone, that is bad enough. The other one is let's say you're kissing that person and then that person burps.
Masa tengah roman.
Cough masih okay lah. Burp.
Burp is kaninas.
Kau rasa pada makan masa lunch tadi,
Oh
Zel?
my god. It's bad. It's bad.
Tapi kalau
it's
macam Apple tadi petang makan kari basi.
kari hijau dia yang susah sangat. Dia nak bilang kita apa yang dia makan.
Nanti aku tanya budak-budak aku lah.
Okay, first date. First date is I don't like it if that person is very touchy on the first date.
Touchy. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so
Okay.
I've story this before in the late crowded room. Apa ni? So I met this guy.
Ambilkan air sikit. Cawan tu gitu Oh, sini tisu sikit.
Tak ada yang lagi satu. If let's okay, there's a few stories lah. Let me just tell you first.
Yeah.
One of the stories is kawan aku matchmake aku dengan kawan dia.
Macam aku matchmake kau last malam.
Cimbai satu. So, my friend dia cakap, Di, kau nak tak dengan kenal dengan kawan aku ni?
Okay.
Dah ada start.
Start.
Okay guys.
Lepas tu aku cakap, okay lah, boleh, nama dia apa? cakap okay. Then lepas tu cakap macam handsome. Dia cakap boleh aku rasa suit lah. Habis aku macam okay lah geng boleh. So aku jumpa lah dengan si Jo ni. So bila aku jumpa dia dia jauh.
Apa benda?
Kau nampak gigi dia jongang. So Jo nama betul ke nama gelaran?
Tak tahulah. Kau bastard sia. Apparently that's what people call him.
Nama Kelvin tapi nama Glenn Jo.
And then I was like, what the fuck? Macam gitu tau. Okay, never mind. Because that's the first thing I saw. Like dia dari jauh dia datang cakap, oh, I macam hip hop lah. Dia macam gitu. Hip hop apa sih ni? Dia pegang macam apa? I pegang macam hip hop.
The Big Joe lah.
Macam feeling gitu. But okay, fine. Then I was like,
Hip hop kalau dia buat grills mahal lah
mahal tu besar banyak lagi. So okay, no shit or whatever. I mean no apa tu? Aku pun dah macam okay lah, whatever lah kan. So kita lepak bawah blok. Aku tahu. Aku dulu tinggal Toa Payoh. So Toa Payoh ni kita tak ada blok. Kau tu rumah aku yang shop houses tu tau. Yang dekat central kan. So cakap tak apa lah, we just hang out around here lah. Aku cakap gitu. Because I don't want to go anywhere with him. Like I don't want to be seen. By the way, I'm very young. Okay, so I was very superficial and very judgy. And then dah sampai situ, dah lepak-lepak aku macam cepatlah aku nak balik macam dia dah macam dah dekat-dekat dengan aku. Habis dah macam dah pegang macam you nak gimana nanti dia pegang macam he put his hands over me and then around my waist macam gitu. Terus aku macam dah tak comfortable lah. Dia say you
Tumbuk gigi dia.
you I need to go lah because my mom is waiting for me.
Alasan.
Betul.
Tak ada alasan. Kan nak kena balik mak I cari.
Because lepas ni nak keluar dengan my mother. Cakap you kata you free pasal hari tu, asal you jumpa I? Oh tak lah, my mom actually ada curfew. Memang betul lah aku yang ada curfew, but I just want to get away from that, right?
Like curfew pukul 10 kau cakap pukul 6 balik.
Macam gitu. So I was like, okay lah, you I nak balik lah. Okay, I see you next time. Tak apalah, I walk you to your stairs. So dia walk me to my stairs lah. Dia dah walk me to the stairs yang dekat nak naik pergi rumah aku tu. Dia cakap okay bye bye. Dia cakap okay bye. Terus lepas tu dia macam bye, dia salam aku, dia tarik mulut aku dengan gigi. Dia jauh.
Dia patuk lah.
Habis lepas tu betul bibir aku kena patuk dengan gigi punya.
Kau tak ready lah.
Aku tak ready lah. Pasal aku ingat nak salam macam gitu je. Dia salam tarik tu dia macam
Aku pun terikut ya.
habis terbang bibir aku macam koyak sikit. Saya macam
Kira so kena branding.
Aku tu macam aku gitu tau. Terus cakap okay bye. Aku bila aku cakap bye jalan, aku pegang bibir aku cakap bengkak sih. Pasal kena dia punya gigi.
Dah tak usah balik mak ingat ni kena love bite lagi.
Habis aku balik, aku terus call kawan aku tau.
Tak
aku
maki.
cakap, Kai, kau kurang hajar. Kau dah jumpa Jo? Dah. Kak, dia ketawa macam gitu.
Oh, dia memang sengaja lah.
Bastard sih. Jahat sih dia.
Nasib baik dia nak ramai menyebut dari gigi tau kat.
Yalah Kai.
Tau. Tak baik.
Okay.
Itulah. Aku tak boleh. And yalah, part of it is like, apart from dia punya jongangness or whatever.
Tapi cute tak?
Tak.
Oh tak cute juga.
Tak.
Ada orang jongang cute.
Kau tahu macam cerita apa tu
Apa dia?
Dono Casino tak?
Aku tak tengok cerita tu.
Siapa ni?
Dono Casino yang Indra Casino yang dulu tu, dia Dono. Nama dia Dono.
Okay.
Kalau korang tahu, mesti korang dah kikik sekarang.
Macam nak spell?
I don't know.
Aku check.
Dono Casino.
D-O-N-O.
Dono habis
How to
space
spell?
Casino.
Dono Casino.
Cerita
Oh,
Indonesia.
pecah dia pun pecah jadi.
Okay. Aku tahu Indonesia dulu Mas Doyok dengan
Ya.
Dia si jongang ni.
yang ini.
Mana tengok.
Ini dia tutup bibir begini. Okay, kalau Dono Casino. Okay.
Allah okay.
Sakit sih. Aku gilu rasa bibir aku sekarang.
Tak tahu.
Okay.
Macam
Kau
bukan
jahat.
gini.
Dia literally dia punya gigi dah terkeluar semua.
Okay, sama jadi pet peeve kau tadi apa? Aku dah lost.
Yelah maksud aku tu like
SL
touchy,
burp kan
touchy.
tadi? Oh, touchy.
Oh,
Okay,
touchy.
very
touchy.
touchy
Okay.
lah. I don't
okay.
kiss on the first date.
Oh, okay.
But she was forced with the case lah.
Yeah,
Kiss pun tak boleh, apa lagi dipatuk.
Aku kena patuk je tak. Okay, like, the pet peeve is not being touchy
Okay
lah,
lah.
but one of the funny experience is that lah.
Okay.
Aku usually kalau first date, aku usually keep an open mind because like you don't know the person, right? Like
Okay.
sometimes there's more to the
Thief.
there's
Ni
more
baru
to,
pet
there's more to that person aside to the exterior. Like kadang-kadang ada macam hati baik and all that. So aku usually keep an open mind. I always tell my friends, no, I don't really have like a pet peeve or there's something. Tapi then there was this guy aku pernah jumpa like for the first time keluar. Then aku rasa oh shit no. Like aku rasa aku boleh date with anyone like gemuk ke kurus ke any size.
Jongang.
Jonggang aku rasa pun aku okay. But aku date dengan orang ni, dia punya misai macam semut-semut. Banyak. Habis kata macam panjang pendek. Habis aku macam habis dia berbual aku kan. Aku macam
dengan orang Stephen Chow ke apa siap.
habis bila dia berbual, aku tengok dia tu macam semut tengah on a racetrack. Tak dia macam habis macam ada panjang pendek dalam hati aku. Kau dari mana-mana set ni tak sempat nak shave gini. Habis dia berbual apa aku gini.
Distracting.
Aku distracted gila. Habis macam kata sini sikit, lepas tu sini macam panjang-panjang ke tepi.
Tu misai ke tanglong.
Misal pun boleh, tanglong pun boleh tuan.
Oh, dia kat sini bangsa macam dia lebih-lebih.
Sini aku rasa sini yang macam
Sini hidup lah.
Sini
Kira
hidup.
Wei Hong ya, siap.
Tapi memang dia tu ada Chinese blood sikit lah.
Okay.
Okay lah.
Walaupun dia
Dia
Islam
blood
lah. Dia aku macam
Kena mengena ganjuk.
aku tak tahu.
Korang pernah date like other races tak?
Pernah.
Ada.
Nah.
You
Ada.
who
Chinese.
Aku
Yeah.
pun Chinese kau? A black guy. Gitu.
Aku
Okay.
tried to date an Indian girl once. And then
Okay.
we felt like kita tak boleh. Like we just
Yeah.
cannot mix. So
Maybe it's
Kau dengan
just
siapa
the,
Yeah.
nanti ni?
nanti ni Nanti pun lain. Kau tak pernah?
Filipino.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Interesting.
Yeah. She's a Catholic.
Okay, that's
Okay.
why you guys didn't get together.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. I mean the reason why I'm asking, okay, I've dated a few. I've dated French, like a few whites, Australian French, French Italian,
Veggie apa?
Chinese.
dia boleh buat pizza bodega.
Bodega tak?
Tak
Mungkin
boleh.
bodega.
Episode ni dia bawakan khas no anda boleh. Liz
Liz
Bottega.
Bottega.
Okay.
So, I would say one of the funny experiences with this, usually the Chinese guys lah. So the first experience was with this Chinese guy yang dia aku kenal that time I was maybe 17 tak salah aku. So dia dah university. Excuse me. Dia university and then he's a medical student.
Okay.
Okay. So going to be doctor lah kan. So yang pada aku is a bit funny is kita pergi tengok wayang. So tengok wayang tu again, the one red flag is he's very touchy. Dia macam okay come let's watch movie lah. Tengok. Okay, one thing I noticed about the Chinese guys that I did, usually kat dalam wayang kita nak tengok wayang apa, tapi dia orang nak motek.
Okay.
Yeah, both Chinese guys.
Dia orang belum belajar pasal tangga. Kalau Melayu dah belajar tangga.
Betul.
Dia orang high end
Lambat
sikit.
sikit lah.
Pergi wayang. So
Ada
okay.
duit.
So this medical student, dia orang pergi kita dah tengok wayang kan. So dia nanti macam he sengaja letak tangan dia around aku tu lah. Then aku macam like,
First step
a
lah,
bit-
first step.
Yeah, a bit like
Cita hantu ke?
tak. Dia macam kau
romance.
nak macam gitu lah.
Romance lah.
Aku tak ingat cerita apa, but it wasn't like something very
Jurassic
you know.
Park.
Kau nak aku cakap lah cerita apa. So anyway, then after that he said that, oh okay, do you want me to send you home? Dia gitu tau. Then I say, can lah, okay lah, never mind lah, can. So aku ingat kita tengok dekat tak salah aku Plaza Sing. So aku at that point in time I was staying at
Plaza Sing ada couple seat
yes. That was the first time we had a couple seat. And then dia macam naikkan couple seat aku, dia nak macam gitulah. So ni yang paling kelakar pada aku, everything about him is so medical. He smells like Dettol. And then I went to his car, it smells like a Dettol car. Kau tahu macam kau masuk klinik, bersih gitu. Okay lah, bagus lah
Bagus
kan.
lah,
Then lepas tu cakap, you want sweet? Dia cakap, can lah. Dia kasih aku apa? Chlorets. Chlorets kan macam gula tu.
Oh, okay.
Yang mint yang macam macam pedas pahitnya kan.
Yeah,
Kalau
I mean,
biru.
it would have been okay, but aku rasa yang really again lah, yang really just make me turn off is like he's very touchy on the first date.
Oh, Dia tak boleh orang touchy on the first date lah.
Ya, aku tak
She just turn off
Second, third date we see how lah. By that time mak masih virgin, jadi aku tak apa-apalah.
Okay.
Faham.
17 tahun kan. Yang Cina lagi satu tu sama kat dalam wayang. Sibuk aku nak tengok TV, dia punya
Wayang.
Dia TV. Sibuk aku nak fokus, dia sibuk nak menjilat-jilat telinga mak. Sebi telinga mak bersih, kalau sekali ada honey keluar. Sial aku. Kau tu pasal orang suka jilat telinga?
Aku suka.
Tapi make sure
Dia cakap
that
dia suka dia mengaku.
but it is sexy, but it has to be very clean lah.
Yelah.
And it has
Tak
to
lah,
be
aku tahu lah
someone that
mestilah
dia tak betul.
Tak, pasal aku baru interview Bob tadi, Bob NCS.
Bob tak correct
Kan dia
telinga.
bawa Grab.
Habis,
Korang dengar ada orang ada passenger ginta telinga dia. Fucking weird. Korang tunggu nanti
Okay,
gua.
that
Is
one-
the passenger blind or what?
Okay, Lina, next question.
Tak ada question. Cuma tadi kau tengah explain. Baru aku tengok. Aku have another pet peeve, but this thing might land me into trouble.
Okay.
Oh,
What
shit.
is that?
Okay. It's a very controversial,
Okay.
unpopular pet peeve that will get people fighting.
Okay, go.
But disclaimer, okay, disclaimer sangat-sangat. This is coming from a single unmarried person lah. Or people will say tu pasal kau single, tu pasal kau tak kahwin. Okay, okay, kalau you know people always say dalam flights kalau budak-budak nangis, right?
Okay.
Aku okay because sometimes they are not comfortable.
Yes.
Correct.
And it's within contained space. Aku okay because you know nothing to do. But aku paling tak okay kalau kita pergi makan. Okay, again lah makan. Budak-budak rasa macam memekak ke baring kat lantai ke ataupun ambil sudu ke apa hempuk-hempuk kat plate tu. Aku tak blame diorang, tapi parents dia tak buat apa-apa.
Betul.
Yes.
Astaghfirullahalazim.
We are with you with this girl.
Yes.
So aku macam tanya gini, habis budak ni besi metaphor and spoon on the plate. Kepeng. Aku dah gini. Mak bapak dia boleh macam
Kepeng tak apa, jangan dia scratch
oh,
garpu dekat pinggan. Just talking about it aku tak boleh.
Aku macam aku just look like macam am I the only one who like is hearing
Is
this?
bothered with this thing kan?
Yeah.
So macam kalau aku keluar dengan, but again when I go out with my married friends, they also say it's not okay lah. Cuma macam kadang-kadang kalau aku nak voice out ini macam, you know how people would say kau tak ada anak, that kind of thing. But that's why I said aku tak salahkan budak-budak tu.
Yes.
Like they are budak for a reason, and they
Yeah.
don't know the real things. Ada yang belum belajar pasal macam being courteous and everything.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau anak kau gitu dan kau macam tak stop it lah. Like kau macam korang tu macam lagi macam tak dengar tau, oblivious. Macam aku seorang ada able to hear. Aku macam okay.
Yeah, cannot. We have to correct that behavior.
So like the whole 45 minutes kau makan budak tu kelentang mak dia diam je.
Yes.
Stop
And this comes to the point, jangan cepat judge parents yang dekat tempat makan je terus kasih anak iPad ke
Betul tak, aku
iPhone.
agree.
Dia bukan kita nak. Kadang kita tak nak anak kita
Kacau orang
mengganggu
lain
ketenteraman
kan.
orang luar.
Yeah.
Correct.
Makes
Saya
sense.
tak aku agree.
Makes sense.
Because if let's say imagine the whole thing for 45 minutes, habis kau sedap makan. Habis orang-orang yang macam, you know sometimes for example when you go for dinner, especially on a weekday, you never know what that person is had maybe a shitty day. And then guys, for example nak jumpa kawan, I cannot wait to meet you guys. I have such a shitty day. Kau jumpa kawan kau, lepas tu meja sebelah gitu. Like this is shittier than my days ya.
Betul.
It will even trigger lah. So that's another part lah.
Aku ada lagi last
Apa?
pet peeve. Ni aku paling pantang macam tempat makan juga, tapi macam family makan maid kat tepi.
Oh.
Maid dia tak kasi makan sekali. Aku macam
Kau fikir tu baru kau kat tepi?
Oh ada ke?
Ada. Miss
Kau
sesuatu
sedih.
diri luar tau.
Diri kat luar tau.
Diri kat luar restoran.
Restaurant.
Ya.
Kesian.
Fuck sir.
Like kasih makan sekali lah kan. Like, and kalau let's say macam maid tu tengah kat luar jaga anak sekalipun, like once kau habis makan, kau ambil anak kau,
Let her
kau
eat.
let her eat ni tak ada. Like aku tengok macam apa,
Like
lepas tu
they
dia dah
feel
balik,
like
dia
you
balik, then aku cakap
Macam like you don't deserve to sit with us, right? Yeah, that's
like,
it. That's
please
it. Yeah.
That's really unkind.
Yeah.
But usually kalau aku nampak betul, the good thing is bukan bangsa kita. I don't know lah, but that's my observation lah.
Okay.
Usually
Bukan
bangsa
bangsa
kita.
kita lah.
Okay. Good. Yep.
So guys, itu actually the part 1 of kita punya segment with DNL for the project pod. Kita ada part 2.
Itu baru part 1.
Baru part 1.
Damn.
Baru
Kan
part
dah
1.
habis.
Belum. Mana mile macam ini dekat DNL, tak dapat lah.
Alright,
Dan
alright.
kita akan kembali lepas ni ke part 2. We have something a bit more fun with this two.
In this podcast,
It's brought to you
by
by
Lives Bodega.
See you guys.
Bye.